At Lopesan, we have always believed that our guests do deserve the best holidays and the best care, and of course now more than ever. For this reason, we have been working on the development of verified protocols that are endorsed by the international firm HS Consulting. All reopenings of our hotels are being carried out under our Lopesan Health and Safety Quality Seal. We are ready to welcome you, and we will be doing so in staggered and programmed manner in order to avoid crowding upon arrival. We disinfect luggage handles, and new guests will be able to get their temperature checked upon arrival. We have also placed shoe sanitizing mats at hotel's entrance. The lobby has been adapted and will be as comfortable and safe as always. The online check-in at lopesan.com will minimize the waiting times for ID verification and credit card authorization in order to hand over the disinfected key as quickly as possible. Our hygiene protocols have been strengthened and adjusted in all areas and spaces. The rooms will be cleaned following strict safety guidelines, and rooms will not be considered as completely ready until they have been checked again the following day. In common areas, more intense cleaning measures are being applied by using sanitizing products for daily disinfection. One-way paths are marked throughout the entire hotel, and the maximum lift's capacity has been limited. In and at the pools, not only the water quality is being controlled more strictly, but also the distance between sun loungers and the maximum occupancy in order to practice social distancing. Our restaurants rigorously comply with the new hygienic sanitary regulations, starting with the table reservations at a specific time. In general, the culinary experience at our hotels has been redefined. The printed menus disappeared, tables follow the trend of not being covered by textile, and flatware is individually packed and set. Everything is about safety and enjoyment going hand in hand. But looking after our guests also means looking after our staff. We are adopting staggered entry patterns, controlling safe distance, washing uniforms daily at the hotels, and providing necessary PPE. Our guests and our staff can now communicate through mobile devices, WhatsApp video call, or our web app that helps to inform or book different hotel services. In line with our commitment to excellence, quality and well-being, we have prepared everything so that our hotels will still be the happy moments factory that you deserve. Smile. Lopesan is taking care of you.